Nyakris kom lipod no kawadhi nyime ni od bura koro dwaro ni Jagaa bajet Margaret Nyakang'o timne nonro ewi omenda maromo shillings bilion 15 manyocho koni ne opuodho kokalo e sund gi jodito e piny owacho mokalo. Komiti mar weche omenda okoni kata odoko ni ne ochune mondo mi opuodho omenda makamano ne en kod ting' mar timo gima chik dwaro. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler.
Nyim kamiti mar od bura marango ng'ur mag oganda jo Kenya, jatend riwruok makedo ne ratiro mag jonyiepo Kofek, Stephen Mutoro, okone kamiti no mondo okaw okang' mar chik ne Jagaa bajet Margaret Nyakang'o to kod mane en jatend migawo mar omenda Kuro Yatani maduto ne jopiny omiyo ting' mar rito omenda gi.
Almost all cabinet secretaries, almost all ministers have gone through there. They have been involved in certain scandals here and there. So it's not news, but the people who bear the greatest responsibility for the Ukuru Nyakang'o scam are actually those two gentlemen, the gentleman and the lady. That I would want to defend anywhere, both within the constitution and the fact that, Madam Chair, when did it happen? That was August, probably a day before elections and what have you. Where are we now? We are on probably 9th of March.
Mutoro okone kamiti od bura ni Nyakang'o ni ogolo duonde kasa odeko ni mar ne owinjore ogotho thurio kapok weche okethore.
What the first place should have run to is to her own house. She would have left the job. Please tell her she should have rent to her house. She should have rent to her house. She should have left the job. There are certain jokes that you should not even expunge from the record of this house. Which duress? Were the police stations closed? When you use a WhatsApp message, is it equal to a gun? Number 4, did she report that dress after that? Number 5, did she resign? Number 6, did she want to verify whether Ukuru was lying that he was conveying the message of His Excellency the President?
Jatelo dwaro ni mondo kembe mag saga mag piny owacho bende koro gogi kogno ni mar kanyo ema mibadhi otime newa.
So you still maintain that there was collusion between the controller of budget and the then cabinet secretary for finance in the loss of the 55 billion.
We have the fuel subsidy of 27 billion that we all know has had a lot of question marks. We have the issue of, Madam Chair, SGR, Nairobi Expressway, that has been very costly to the public, that requires such a kind of thorough inquiry.
Kamiti no koro ni kod ting' mar dhi loso report kendo chwalo ne od bura mondo twagie.
We will look into the matters that you have raised keenly. We will ensure that no shilling in future, according to our report, will ever be lost. And even if there is need, we will recommend it to be debated in the House.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.